Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by equipping the only way relic and adjusting sensitivity. This narrows noise so you hear the ghost clearly. Once set, face mount Yotei and hold the listen button for about 1 2/10 seconds to trigger detection. You'll see a faint outline and hear a ripple cue that tells you the ghost's frequency. Make sure to lock orientation while the cue plays. Stabilizing your view increases signal clarity and prevents false positives. You now refine the signature by switching to narrowband mode. This isolates the ghost's frequency so background noise drops out. As you proceed, move in slow arcs of 10 to 15 degrees while watching for pitch drift and visual thickening. This shows direction. Once you detect consistent drift, take short bursts of listening rather than holding continuously. This conserves stamina and prevents masking. Also, make sure to recenter the relic, but you finish by locking onto the strongest pitch and approaching steadily while keeping the relic within about 5 degrees of center. This maintains lock. Once within range, execute the containment routine. Pulse to destabilize, deploy net to bind, then run the seal sequence in that order to complete capture. If the signal suddenly drops, back up 2 to 3 meters, reset sensitivity to the previous value, and reacquire. Doing this clears interference and often restores a clean lock quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.